గవర్నమెంట్ డిగ్రీ కాలేజ్ కోరుట్ల స్వాగతం సుస్వాగతం. జిజ్ఞాసా స్టూడెంట్స్ స్టడీ ప్రాజెక్ట్ 2023 CM బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ స్కీమ్ presented by Department of Economics G. Rajendra Jalnavin, Marikanta, Anuradha, Narendra Arjuna. Introduction. Telangana launches CM breakfast scheme in schools. State ministers have inaugurated a scheme in Telangana that aims to provide nutritious breakfast to students in government schools. The scheme will be implemented across the state later this month and will serve breakfast to approximately 2.3 million students in 147 schools. The menu includes items such as idli sambar, white wheat rava and puri. State ministers inaugurated the CM breakfast scheme in schools across different districts of Telangana, actively participating in breakfast sessions with the students. Statement of the problem. This scheme has been initiated in order to uplift, maintain the nutritional status of schools goals. It will also reduce the burden on working mothers as they have to wake up early to prepare food and leave for work. Methodology. This project work based on primary data and secondary data have been collected from journals, websites and newspapers and so on. Hypothesis. The idea behind the scheme is that no student should go to schools empty stomach, especially those whose parents are agricultural laborers who may not provide breakfast to their children. This scheme will also help in giving nutritious food to the children and can focus on their studies. Objectives of the study. The main objective of the scheme is that no youngsters should arrive at school hungry, especially those whose parents work as agriculture workers and may not be able to provide their kids breakfast. According to KCR, this program will assist in ensuring that kids receive nourishing food so they can concentrate on their school work. Features of Telangana CM breakfast scheme. Over 9 lakh publics are enrolled in over 5,000 schools, including residential schools. Thought out the state according to sources. It would only be extended to day schools because breakfast and meals are already served at residential schools. Advantage of Telangana CM breakfast scheme. According to the School Education Department's decree, the government has decided to provide free breakfast under the Chief Minister's breakfast scheme to school children studying from class 1 to class 10 in government and local body schools and all schools working. Benefits. The state government has committed to spending around 400 crores for that scheme. The scheme benefits over 23 lakhs students in 28,000 government schools across the state. The scheme is open to all government school students from class 1 to 10. Breakfast is served hot and fresh at the students' table approximately 45 minutes before school starts. The breakfast menu include a variety of nutritious opinions such as idli, sambar, pongal, puri, upma, vegetable pulao, and wheat upma. The food is prepared in central kitchens and distributed to schools in included continents. The scheme is implemented by the state government in collaboration with local communities and farmers. Need for the study. As part of study project, students were need to know how the government schemes will be benefited to the poor farmers. Students can easily learn from study projects. They are getting more information by doing these projects. It is very useful for their bright future. Report for the study menu. Monday idli plus sambar, wheat rava upma plus chutney. Thursday puri plus aloo kurma, tomato bath with rava plus sambar. Wednesday upma plus sambar or rice rava khichdi plus chutney. Thursday millet idli plus sambar or pongal plus sambar. Friday ugani poha millet idli plus chutney. Wheat rava khichdi plus chutney. Saturday pongal plus sambar or vegetable pulao plus raita aloo kurma. Menu. Monday idli plus sambar, wheat rava upma plus chutney. Thursday puri plus aloo kurma, tomato bath with rava plus sambar. Wednesday upma plus sambar, rice rava khichdi plus chutney. Thursday millet idli plus sambar, pongal plus sambar. Friday ugani poha millet idli plus chutney. Wheat rava khichdi plus chutney. Saturday pongal plus sambar, vegetable pulao plus raita aloo kurma. How it will be monitored? School level supervision is overseen by the headmaster. Complex headmaster are responsible for monitoring all schools within their designed schools complex. Mandal nodal officers are in charge of monitoring of all schools within the manual. District educational officers in conjunction with the community coordinator of Samagra Samiksha oversee all schools within the district. The breakfast schemes program is tracked a mobile app and online software. Implementation of the program is conducted in collaboration with the Panchayat Raj and Women Development Child Welfare Departments. The School Education Department serves as the nodal department in areas covered by municipal corporations. The Civil Body Commissioners service as the supervisory nodal officer. At the rural level, the additional collector, local bodies, estimates overall supervisory responsible for all schools in the district. Regular quality checks will be conducted through periodic visits by food inspections. Constellation. The CM breakfast scheme launched by the Telangana government is a commendable step towards nurturing the futures of the state by taking care of its children by providing nutritious breakfast to students in government schools. The government is not only addressing immediate nutritional needs but also investing in the long-term development and prosperity of the youth. This initiative sets an inspiring example for other states in idea to prioritize the health and education of their younger citizens. Thank you. Keep it presented by Paranteja Creative Works Pragati.